Head off, unveiled. Understand and use it like a pro. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere: head off. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, how to use it, and some examples to solidify your understanding. So, let's jump right in. When we break down the words head and off, the literal meaning paints a picture of direction. Head often means to move or direct oneself in a specific direction, while off can suggest departure or leaving a place. But English, being the quirky language it is, often has more than just a literal translation for its phrases. In everyday language, head off is used in a few different contexts. 1. To leave or depart. For example, I need to head off to work now. 2. To prevent or stop something from happening. This might sound a bit tricky, but here's an example. She managed to head off a potential argument between the two colleagues. 3. To intercept or cut someone off. For instance, the police tried to head off the thieves at the main road. Let's solidify your understanding with some real-life situations. 1. Leaving a party. It's getting late. I should head off. Thanks for the wonderful evening. 2. In a meeting. Before this issue escalates, can we head it off with a quick discussion? 3. Watching a crime movie. The detective tried to head off the suspect before he escaped through the back door. It's great to know a phrase, but it's equally important to use it correctly. One common mistake is using head off when referring to taking a decision, which isn't accurate. For instance, I headed off to choose the blue one is not a correct usage. Instead, you can say, I decided to choose the blue one. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use the phrase head off confidently in your conversations. Whether you're departing from a place or trying to prevent a situation, this phrase can be a great addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has been enlightening, and as always, keep learning and practicing. Cheers!